Friends, our math journal today says glue the kids in number order. So the very first thing I need to do is cut this out. So I'm going to neatly cut on the dotted line. Remember, I have my thumb at the top, the rest of my fingers at the bottom, and my pointer finger is guiding my scissors. Okay, so now I need to cut out all four of the kids. So glue the kids in number order. So if you remember last week, we talked about how to order. Let's count to 10. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my friends, so I have mine cut out. Let's look at the numbers that we have. We don't have the number 1. So we need to figure out which of these numbers comes first. I want you to think in your brain. Let's count again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We do have the number 4. So I'm going to put the number 4 first. So I'm going to open my math journal, and I'm turning to the next blank page in my journal. And I'm going to glue down my direction, glue the kids in number order. I'm going to glue that in. And then, remember, we decided the number 4 is going to come first. So I'm going to put down the number 4. Now, I want you to look at these numbers that you have left, and you're going to put the rest of the numbers in order. Okay, my friends, I will see you soon.